Good morning, class 6th. Let's start. Next page, page number 38. Topic name is migratory birds. Migratory birds are the birds which move from one place to other place in search of food and the shelter. Now, move to the definition. Many migratory birds come to India every year. They come from different places like Africa, Europe, Northern Asia, and South East Asia in search of feeding grounds and a warm climate. Now, move to the questions. First is name these migratory birds with the help of the given description and clues. Pictures are also given and clues are also given. With this help of these two things, we have to find the name of these birds. The first one is it is a big bird. It can be often seen standing on one leg near swamps and the lake. It means it is usually standing on the one leg. The name of this bird is greater flamingo. Greater flamingo. Now move to the second one, that is it is a common small duck found in marshes. The male bird has chestnut colored head. It means the head of this duck is colored, that chestnut colored. The name of this bird is Eurasian teal. Now move to the third one. It is a small robin-like bird. Robin-like bird. The male bird has a bright blue throat. Look here. This one is a blue color throat. The answer of this bird, the name of this bird is blue throat. Underline these important keywords. In the first one is a big bird, and second keyword is standing on one leg. In the second one it is a small duck and it having a colored head. Now move to the fourth one. The bill of this bird is spoon shaped. Shape of the bill is spoon. The bird uses it to strain food from water. The name of this bird is northern shoveler. Now move to the fifth one. It is a common 12.5 to 14 centimeter long warbler. It feeds mainly on insects. So main feeding is on the insects. So name of this bird is Blythe reed warbler. This is R. Blythe reed warbler. Now move to the sixth one. It is a medium sized bird which nests on the ground in the dry open area. Its nest is mostly in the dry area. The name of this bird is Pacific golden plover. Pacific golden plover. Now move to the last second. It is a large bird with huge wings. Size of this bird is large and the wings are very big. It gracefully floats on the water. The name of this bird is Rosy Pelician. Now move to the last one. It is a small duck. This is also small duck. This one is also small duck, but the specialty is this duck breeds in Russia. It forages. Forages means to search food. It search its food for acorns. Acorns are the small nut that are found on the oaks in the woods at night. Mostly they search food at the night. The name of this bird is Baikal teal. Baikal teal. Now read these all the points carefully. Underline all the keywords. In this question, the keyword is it mostly found in Russia and they feed mostly at night. Now move to the learn the definition of migratory birds also. Here is a no more. This one is very important. No more is the question they will ask. There are two famous birds which those visit India in the summer season. The name of that birds are black crowned night heroine and underline this, and the Russian golden oriole. So learn these names of these two birds, very important. Learn this page, complete it on your book. Thank you so much. Have a good day.